Este es Aaron con ideinacomputers.com. Otro video para ti hoy. I have this SMCD3G router and SMCD3G CCR. It's a CCR. Okay, and I fucked up because I think I disabled the DHCP server on this because I just used it as a switch. It's got 4 ports, so I was just using it as a switch. Well, I've got this project here. I've got a couple of desktop computers and I need to transfer data, and I'm at a hotel and I have this device. But when I plugged in the 2 computers with the Ethernet cables, no IP addresses. So it looks normal on the front. It's got 2 LAN lights for the Ethernet ports. It has a link light, meaning that these ports work, and then the DS and power. Now, since this isn't connected to cable, you're not going to see the US or online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this guy. And what you do with this model is you have to get a paper clip, and hold on a second. So what you do is you just leave it powered on the way it is, and then you get a paper clip, which I have in my left hand, and see if I can pull this off with one. See if I can pull this off. So what you're going to do is there's a reset on the back. See right there next to the coax cable connection. You're just going to, I should be okay by setting it like this. With it powered on, you're going to press and hold the reset for 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now I'm just going to flip it, and it should, if you notice, the US light is now on. It flashed, and now it's in diagnostic. So it'll hang out there, it'll cycle itself, and it should be resetting it back to factory. I don't know why the US button turned on for a few seconds, but it did. But this is normal. Okay, so now it's checking all the Ethernet ports. The diag light is still on. All the lights lit up, and now it has DS. Eventually, the link light should turn on, and then the first 2 LAN port lights should turn on, and it will then have reset itself. That's all you have to do. There we go. I'm not going to demonstrate any further because I just performed this before making this video. This is the second time. There's already traffic across, and the DS light, that's all. So you should have power light, DS light, link light, and however many Ethernet ports you are using lit up. The other lights, no. Diag, no. Online, no. US, no. USB, no. The other 2 LAN if you're using them. That's it. Now you reset your SMC3DG-CCR to factory defaults. If you purchase this from an ISP, internet service provider, the settings that they configured should reset back to factory, and whatever those settings are. But if you disabled the DHCP service like I did, or you made changes to it and now you can't, get an IP address, or whatever it is you did with it, you fucked something up, or you just forgot, it should reset those back to factory. Now both computers, I know, got IP addresses, and now I can create a little quick network and I can transfer data. Adios.